Oh,
So
right,
that's
we're
back
recording.
that's the garden, that's right.
No,
oh yeah,
no,
it was good, wasn't it? Yeah. I didn't see the
Yeah.
game. No, no, it was on BBC One, wasn't it?
Every
Yeah, I think
game.
Arsenal
Yeah.
must have thrown.
Hello.
Hi, honey.
Hello, how are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Yeah, lovely, thanks. We're just having a chat in the changing room.
I'm just calling because you said that I could have that dress that I was looking at, but I said I could buy it.
Yeah, you've seen a dress, have you then?
Yeah, is it £300?
£300? Yeah.
Really lovely, it looked really good.
Oh yes, yeah. Treat yourself. Just this once. Yeah, that's good.
I went past that Mercedes issue, and I know that you said you needed a new car, so I was like, can I put a order in for my Mercedes?
You've been to the Mercedes main agent? Yeah. And you've seen a nice sports white Mercedes, yeah? Yeah. What's that, about 38 grand, is it? 62. Yeah, it's gone, yes. We only live once. Yeah, lovely. Oh, okay then. Yeah, bye. By the way, whose telephone is this?
That looks like mine. It is mine. You've cost me £62,000.